This is the listening section of Musicplay Online, and I have graded examples for grades Listen 1, Grade 1, Grade 2, Grade 3, Grade 4, Grade 5. I could go through them in order, or I can search by composer, by concept, by activity type. I like using paper plates. Let's look up plates and look at all the activities that we have that include paper plates. Let's look up scarves or ribbons. And there's lots, again, that have ribbon activities. There will be kids' demo videos of them. If I look at Turkish March, here is the ribbon activity. And you can see I have 2 play-alongs, not just one. This one is going to be the easier of the 2. It's an animated rhythm activity. 2, ready, go. So that is a simpler activity than the other one, which is reading a full rhythm score. Both valid activities to use. If this is too quick for your kids, slow it down. You can slow down any video on the site. And I can add it to my list. So let's add it to the intro to Musicplay Online. And I'm going to say Turkish March Play Along. And it's added to my list. So I said I can search by concept. Let's look at some pieces that are good for teaching dynamics. And I get some really good activities. Let's look for things that are good for teaching tempo. And I get, again, some good suggestions. Many of these have listening maps. All of these examples have listening logs that the students can complete on paper or just by answering the questions on the board. Cup games are another favorite of the kids. If I look at favorite rag, here's the listening log. One teacher that I know, again, a really, really good teacher, would play the listening log as her students came in the room. They would sit down and then she would ask them some of the questions on the listening log or all of the questions. So that's a good activity. This is a slightly different kind of listening log. This is Ontario curriculum words, and we're going to do one for national standards. Here's an animated play along. Here's a cup game. These are super fun. And we've got printables that help explain how to do it. But to be honest, I think the video is the best way to learn. And then we have printable versions of the listening logs. So this is listening log number 1. You can print it out. I'll just show you a tiny bit of the cup game. Hi, this is the favorite cha, 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 hit, hit, It's not going faster. Okay, we'll try it with the music. And if you can't share materials because of COVID, just keep the cup. Do them in place. I didn't mention we could search by composer here in the listening section. So if I'm looking for anything by Mozart, I just search Mozart. We have listening extras as well. And these are, okay, I have to take Mozart off. And now I can search for my listening extras. So many videos were created by a wonderful educator from New Zealand, Stuart Mannins, and he's given us permission to put these storybooks online. They're absolutely lovely. And into the extras also, we're going to add a section of women composers because women are sadly underrepresented in the other areas of listening. So we're doing a special project with our resident ethnomusicologist. Lots of material for you in the listening section and wonderful ideas that engage your students. Your kids will have lots of fun with this.